Earth, planet of life. Living things are different from non-living things. The earth is our home and also home of all living things. Just like us, other living things also fulfill their needs from the earth. All living things live in places that fulfill their needs to live. It is only we humans who can live anywhere because we have an organization that helps us to fulfill our needs. Other than humans, living beings like plants and animals live in places that suit their needs. These places are called habitats. Forests on earth have habitats of many animals. The sea also has habitats of many kinds of animals and fishes. This animal is very close to us in its body parts. It is called the common chimpanzee. Though it is less intelligent than us, but its body parts are the same as ours. Our world has things that are alive or living things such as plants, animals, birds, fish and humans. The world also has things that do not have life. These are called non-living things. What about other living beings? We share this world with so many other living beings. Both plants and animals, insects, birds, fish live on this earth. Of all the planets in our solar system, Earth is the only planet to have life on it. Air, water and a suitable temperature are the main factors that have made life possible on Earth. Life is mainly divided into plants and animals. An estimated number of plant species is 3,21,212 and that of animals is 1,36,07,555 species. There are other life forms such as viruses and bacteria that live on this earth too. Mountains, rocks, soil, water, air are all non-living things. Planet Earth is full of a variety of life forms ranging from very minute bacteria to large-sized elephants and whales. While most of the large animals may be seen in the surroundings or zoos, the minute life forms cannot be seen directly with our eyes. Yet, they are an important part of our planet. All living things along with the other non-living materials on Earth like soil, water, air are in a state of balance in such a way that living things complete their lifespan using the planet's non-living material. Still, there is no shortage of materials for the living beings. This is called the natural cycle. The minute life forms such as bacteria are part of the natural cycle, and so while some of these may be very harmful to plants, humans and animals, many of them are useful too. There are many more non-living things that have been made by human beings from natural non-living things. A table, chair, a car, an aeroplane are some examples. In nature, when plants or animals die, their dead bodies would fill up a lot of space on the earth. This is prevented by a number of organisms, especially bacteria. These bacteria are called decaying bacteria because they bring about decay of dead organisms, and the non-living materials found in the body of dead organisms is brought back to the earth to be used by other living beings. Bacteria also add useful materials to the soil and make it rich. These materials are taken up by plants, and the useful plants become food for both humans and animals. In this way, bacteria are a very important link between the other living beings and the non-living materials of the earth. This is the reason they are said to be part of the natural cycle.
You know that our planet Earth is full of variety of living organisms. Some are very minute, such as bacteria and viruses, while some are large-sized, such as elephants and whales. In this planet of life, green plants are the only organisms that don't eat anything. They take water and minerals from the soil, gases from the air, and use sunlight to make their own food. They are called autotrophs. Green plants not only make food for themselves, but also provide food to many other organisms who are called heterotrophs. You know that animals such as cow, horse, deer and so on feed on grasses, leaves and seeds to live. They are called herbivores. Animals such as the wolf, lion, tiger and the like eat flesh of other animals as food. They are called carnivores. We humans and many other animals eat both green plants as well as flesh to live and are called omnivores. In this way, all organisms need food to get energy to live on this earth. The autotrophs use the energy of the sun to make food. This energy is stored in their bodies and is used by the herbivorous animals to live. The herbivorous animals store this energy in their bodies and their flesh provides energy to the carnivorous animals. This natural organization is called a food chain. Our planet of life has many interconnected food chains, and this is the reason that all living organisms are said to share this planet as their home. If a few organisms disappear, the entire food chain is disturbed and may affect other members of the chain. We as humans must realize the responsibility of keeping these food chains intact and share the earth with other living beings.